Now this is where it will take you to. Then you click install and wait. Now this window now, I'm loading it on the system from this flash drive. Even if you are using disk, you will still pass through the same process. You come to this place and select the type of Windows 10 you want to select. You want to install on the system. This is the but I normally use this last one. Next, you- next. Then you click next and wait. All these delays depends on the type of system you are loading this window on. There are some systems that are more faster than this one. So, but why it's slowing like this because of this type of system I'm loading window on. Then you click this accept. Tick the code here. Then you click next. Then you use custom. And this is the hard drive inside the system. Delete the this partition option. Delete it. Here, you can partition the hard drive to two. Like if you want to load with double window, you can divide this hard drive. This is the hard drive inside this particular system. This one is 298, which is called 320 gig. So as this hard drive is now, I can divide it into two from here and load two different windows on this system. But right now, I want to load only one. Then once you have deleted, then you just click. Either you click next, or if you click on this new, which that means you want to partition. But if you don't want to partition it, just click next. Then the window will start installing on the system. Once you click next, it will take you to the installation of the window. Again, if you have system, maybe the window is corrupt and you want to reload window on it from this place. When you get to this place, from through this process I've gone through, when you get to this place, you don't need to delete anything again. Just what you need to do is just click next, because there might be some files inside the system that you still need, like your movie, your document, you understand, and other things. But once you load window on top of those files, the applications you have inside the system will be gone, but your files will be saved. Which there's a folder. The system will name it Windows Old. You understand? The system will name it Windows Old. So that's where the files will be saved. So after the installation of the window, you can go there and restore your files back. So as it is now, it's loading. So it is going to count your 100. Yeah.